In my last video, I show you how to migrate from ChatGPT to Claude. But here's the real problem. When you export your file from ChatGPT, it gives you everything, your prompts, your conversations, your images, all in one massive file. Claude has a 30 megabyte file limit per upload, so you can upload everything all at once. But here's the workaround. You get to be selective. You only import what you actually need, categorize your stuff, and leave behind what you don't need. I'm Celina, and I help stay-at-home moms build income without sacrificing time with their families. Today, I'm going to show you how to organize and upload your files to Claude the right way. Let's go. So in my last video, I show you two ways of how to transfer files from ChatGPT into Claude. And one way of doing it is to go to Claude directly and then have Claude generate a prompt, and you use that prompt and plug it into ChatGPT and then put that information back to Claude. And that's how Claude will have all your information. If you're interested to learn more about that, you can go check out that video. But I find that the report is a little bit limited because right now I'm going to show you is to use ChatGPT to create a package. It will export a file folder for everything that you did with ChatGPT. It will be inside that folder. And then we can take that folder back to Claude. So that will give you a much more comprehensive information. So let me quickly walk you to it. So first go to ChatGPT and then go to your logo at the very bottom. And then you want to go to settings and then you want to select data control. So at the very bottom, there's export data. You just want to click on export and then it's going to tell you your account details and chat will be included in the export folder. Your chat will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file and the link will expire within 24 hours. And the processing may take some time. You'll be notified when it's ready. So when you click on confirm export, you'll receive a confirmation email telling you that they already started exporting, but it takes a little bit of time. So just be patient. What's going to happen next is you will receive an email from OpenAI. It will give you a downloadable link just like this. So after you click download, you will receive a zip file like this. And then you click onto it, it will give you a folder with a very long name. And this folder will contain everything you have been using with ChatGPT. It will have your chat history here, your conversations, and all your images files, and your user informations and data. So let's go to Claude. So when you open Claude, you want to go to projects. And in my last video, I've shown you how I create a new project folder. It's very easy. You just click over here, create new project, the plus sign, and then give it a name called ChatGPT Hub. And then when you click onto it, you will have everything that I already uploaded. And the good thing about it is you can be selective. You only select the conversation that you need, that you want to keep, and then you import it in here. So in this demonstration purpose, I created a different one. It's called the ChatGPT Hub 2. Let's try to import files into this project. So you go to files and click on the plus sign, upload from device. Let's just click on chat and then open. And it says fail to upload file chat because it exceeds the maximum. Remember, we only have 30 megabytes maximum that we can upload. So in this case, we want to do it manually. But not to worry, there is a way to work around it, which is what I'm going to show you right now. So let's go back to your folder, your chat folder. So this way, it allows Claude to access your file on your desktop to find the information that you want to upload to it. So in this case, it's inside our download folders, and then we find the folder and we wanted to find our chat history, and you just click onto it and it will open another window showing you basically everything. You just gotta look into it and then select the things that you want to import and click on Control C. And for Mac, it's Command C. And then once you copy that, let's go back to Claude. All right, and then you go to File, and then you click on Add Text Content. And then Control V or Command V in Mac, and then just paste in everything that you just copy. And then usually how ChatGPT generate is you'll have the title on the very top line. So you just copy that and paste it into your title and then add content. There you have it. So that's how you will organize your chat, and then you can create many different chat inside this project. So this way it will remember your workflow and your prompts and everything you would like Claude to remember. It will be right here organized inside this folder. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions or thoughts or comments, feel free to comment down below and let me know what you would like to see next. And happy creating. I'll see you next time. Bye.